How do you cancel a Grubhub order? Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be guiding you through the steps on how you can cancel a Grubhub order. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, canceling your food order on Grubhub basically depends upon what stage the order is actually in. If the order has only been accepted by a specific food delivery rider, you can cancel it right away. But if the order has already been messaged to the restaurant and then they've already prepared the order, it will be difficult for the cancellation process, and in that case, you might most likely incur a certain amount of fee. So you just have to understand what stage your order is actually in. Once you've done that, you want to simply go over to the Grubhub application, make sure that you sign into the account. Now let's say that you just happen to order a wrong food or a wrong order, or you just want to add more and update it to your cart. Well, in order to do that, all you have to do is just tap the orders icon from the bottom right hand side of the screen. Once you tap the orders icon, you'll most likely find all of the orders that you've made inside of the Grubhub application. Again, as I repeat, the cancellation of an order depends upon what stage the order actually really is in. Once you've done that, you should be able to follow the on-screen instructions and then cancel your Grubhub order respectively. And that is it for today's video on how you can cancel a Grubhub order that you've made. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.